Today I'm going to be breaking down the lunges. Alright guys, some key points of performance as we get into the lunge. There's a couple of things I want you to think about. Whenever you plant your foot forward, I want this leg to be skewing out, and if you twist your body to the side, it's almost as if it does it automatically. This same mechanic with the knee out is what I always talk about whenever we squat, or we plant our feet, we skew our feet into the ground. This would be no good, but I want to see lunges like this. Pushing them out will replicate how I teach you guys how to squat, and that's pushing out with your knees. That's important because it locks in our glutes, it puts our hamstrings where they can turn on, and you're very strong from that position. So every time you step, think about planting and screwing your foot, and you'll get a little bit of out distance right there. When you come together, squeeze your glutes, lock down the abs, and then from the side, every time you lunge, it should be just about a vertical shin, core's tight, squeeze the glutes, vertical shin, core's tight, squeeze the glutes. Don't overcomplicate it, it's simple, but I do not want to see any lunges like this where this hip is kicked out and the knee is forward. Push that guy out, that's going to translate into your squat performance. Single leg stuff makes you strong, that's the lunge, get after it.